All right, everybody, today I have something you gotta see. So right here is an old treadmill we're taking apart. And if you get really close, we opened it up and all of this, look at how much cat hair is here. You can see the pieces right here and it's all over the motor. The board is right here. It's in the bearing here. And when I had it upside down, I already sucked all of this out. This is what was already in there. I used the Shark. Which one is this? The ZU632 upright. You can see there's a lot of dust from the motor in here as well. But I'm shocked at how much cat hair has gotten into the mechanism. I can't believe it hasn't caught on fire with how much is in here. There's some rubber dust and other stuff too, but that's really shocking. If I take my finger, you can just pull it out. It's like in chunks.